To add a digital product, click on Add Product, Digital. The digital product is very similar to the physical product, with the only difference is that you don't have variations, and you have to select a product file that will be sent to your customer who purchases the product. You can select any file up to 130 megabytes. You'll see all the files in the file manager, so you can link to that file. You can add a title, a description of this product, and obviously all the different things as price, stock keeping unit, additional information about the product, and a custom thank you page if you want to. Of course, you can organize into different categories and subcategories as well. Everything on the right side is the same. You have the image, the product URL that you can always change, and the SEO description for this product, as well as the clone if you want to create very similar products and just change a few things here and there for the speed of the creation of a new product. So yes, how it works is that when somebody purchases, after the successful purchase, they will receive an email with all the files, with all the products that they've purchased, and they can simply download them. At the moment, all the links after the first visit will be active for 24 hours, and after that all the links will be inaccessible by them. This is for me is to be more secure of your content, so they not share it freely here and there. Of course, they can do it if they want to. This is something that can't really be prevented, but this is some way of preventing that by limiting the time of download for only 24 hours after the first visit. So this is how simple it is to build a digital product. Yes, very simple.